Okay, so now let's move on to your uncertainties. Now, previously, if you remember, I mentioned that, oh, whenever you're measuring something a solid, right? When you measure and it's halfway between your two divisions, between your gaps, right? You either round it up or you round it down, correct? So this is what we actually call uncertainty. Because you're unsure, do we round it up? Do we round it down? We are not too sure. That's why we call it a uncertainty. So you can see over here, if your length is between 4.9 and 5.0, we usually round it up as 5.0 itself. So because of the uncertainty, we'll actually consider adding plus minus half of your smallest division itself. So half of your smallest division will be 0.05 cm, right? So this is what we actually measured, and this is our uncertainty over here. Okay, now do take note, your uncertainty and your errors itself, they are not the same. Your error is basically, right, when you measure your final results and your calculated result. What's the difference between them? Where uncertainty is between your measurement, each measurement that you do. If you have a number that is not too sure whether it's correct or not, we will consider that as your uncertainty. Okay, it has nothing to do with your errors. Now, normally, if you are adding or subtracting your data itself, normally, if you want to find total mass, very straightforward, right? If you have total mass and you have three different objects, you just take mass 1 plus mass 2 plus mass 3, which is what you do for the measured result first. So the yellow color parts over here, you simply just add them up, you will get 515 kg. Now, then the question comes in is, what about our uncertainty over here? So you can think about it, your uncertainties itself is your range of your answers, right? So when you add all of them up itself, your total uncertainty also adds up. So even if you minus it away, M1 minus M2 minus M3, we also add up the uncertainty. Basically, when in doubt, just add all your uncertainties together. Okay, because your uncertainty itself is basically your range. What's your maximum possible number